Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your VW Tiguan rear wiper blade. It's a simple task that improves visibility and safety. You'll need a new rear wiper blade, typically 14 inches long, and possibly a flathead screwdriver if the old blade is a bit stubborn. This quick guide will help you complete the replacement in just a few minutes, ensuring your rear window stays clear. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into position. Next, look for a small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly, then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Remember to carefully lower the wiper arm back down, ensuring it doesn't snap against the glass, which could cause damage. Now, take your new 14-inch wiper blade and align its connector with the end of the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window glass, making sure it rests properly. With the new blade installed, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper to ensure it operates smoothly and clears the window without leaving any streaks. For best performance, regularly clean your wiper blades with a soft cloth and glass cleaner. We recommend replacing your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months to maintain clear visibility and safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.